Hello, John Neal here. It's Wednesday, the 10th of August 2022, and I'm doing a feature on Marston Lane, Bedworth. Now I say Bedworth because I've just been talking to a chap who lives on Marston Lane, and he said there is a Marston Lane in Nuneaton. So I hope I've got the right one. I'm doing this for Stu. I think Stu must live away somewhere, an expat maybe, and he said, oh, while my drone was broken and being repaired, well, being replaced to be honest, maybe I could go down Marston Lane, and there's some canals there, wildlife to be seen. It's a lovely little spot actually. So that's what I've done. Let's just hope I've got the right Marston Lane. If it's not, well, so be it. Oh, by the way, the drone is replaced. Well, this is all the drone kit got out. By the way, I've got a little holder on the back of here, look, which fits on my bike, which is very nice, and helps stand it up there. Just got to put the joysticks in there. Must remember to press that SD card in properly. I put it in last night and didn't press it all the way in, and I took some photos, didn't keep any of them. Just a quick personal message here. Since I crashed the drone, and I say I crashed it, and it didn't crash itself, you know, I lost a little bit of confidence about it. So I'm going to fly again now. I've flown a couple of times since I've got this new one. But yeah, I'm just a little bit more cautious with it. It's a bit more anxious about taking it up because I wasn't quite sure what happened. But I think the more I fly it, I'll regain that confidence and learn a bit more about it. But it made me focus on one or two issues about the way the drone flies and some of the functions that it has. So first thing to do before you fly anywhere is just to check that there are no cables in the sky. Somebody put the sun in the wrong direction, but that is either the Coventry Canal or the Ashby Canal, as is that. And this is the junction at Marston, so it's Marston Junction. It says welcome to Marston Junction and the Ashby Canal. I better go and have a look at this map and check that out, which is which. Well, if I got it right, on the left is the Coventry Canal and this is the Ashby Canal. I suppose there's one or two types of boats going up and down the canals. They're purely for leisure, all of them really. You've got people who actually own boats and they live on them sometimes all year round, or just go out on them pretty regularly, particularly in the season. You've also got some sort of, dare I say, hippie type folk who live on the boats, and they're quite amusing. Some of the boats are in terrible condition because they don't spend a lot of money on them. But this one that's just gone by, this yellow one, is a sort of a hire boat, and there's a little family on there enjoying a trip up and down. Don't know where they've come from exactly. There's certainly one of those hire places at Stoke Golding, near where I live. Oh boy, just to put things in context, it's not rained for about 6 weeks. It's very hot. Today could reach 30 centigrade, and the countryside is as dry as a bone. We don't usually have this. It's more common than we've had before. It seems it might be part of climate change, which is quite serious really. So yeah, you can see all the grass is dry, and the threat of fire in various places, not particularly here, but yeah, is a serious thing. So I'm going to be very nosy and have a look at this boat, which has got a fish on it, BCF, Boaters Christian Fellowship. Okay, go with the flow. Nice lettering. I think this is actually a cycleway between Nuneaton and Bedworth. I've been along it before and videoed it, in fact. Yeah, so I think this is a boat that somebody is actually, I won't say living on, but certainly owns. But there's nobody in here at the moment. And there's another one which is permanently, semi-permanently locked here. I think this is one of the ones I was talking about. It's a little bit more in need of attention, let's put it that way. All right, let me walk back to the bridges here. Let's go flying. Let's get nice and high and I'll talk you through what we can see, because there is Marston Lane looking southwest and back towards Bedworth. Now we're looking more northerly towards Nuneaton, and I think we'll just about see, there it is, right in the middle of the picture now is Mount Judd. Nice countryside really, look at all of this. Off towards Bulkington that way I think. There's the canal again. As you swing round, we'll be looking towards the south and Coventry. Now as you come back this way, you should just be able to see the water tower in Bedworth. There it is now, just about in the centre of the picture. Well, August is the time of year for blackberries, and along the canal side it's pretty common to find bramble bushes, blackberry bushes, and here they are, look. So, but everything else is very dry. These are old cow parsley plants, or cow parsnip plants, I'm not sure which. Everything's very dry. These are the brambles coming through. One or two thistles. Let me just get in closer to this corner under the bridge. It's said that these worn bricks here, and there's some more over the other side, very similar, is where the horses would pull the boats through and the ropes would catch on them as they turned the corner and wear the bricks out a little bit. Some are quite distinctive in other places. I have to say, there are some blackberries over there which look stunning. They're quite big ones. Sometimes the wild ones are not very big. Maybe because the roots have been gathering water from the canal, they've done well, very well, because it's very warm and they've got the water, which is great. Red Robert, I think this is called. And then among these leafy yellow flags, which are not in flower at the moment, there's a bulrush head, look, and some of the grasses. quite prolific in this heat because they've got the water as well. Well, I'm told this is a spotted touch-me-not. There's another one. So, accordingly, I will not touch. Very pretty though. Well, there's somebody trying to get round the bend here, just about doing it. Anyway, I think that'll do me for now. Okay. Until next time, bye.